Now let us discuss about how to interface 8279 IC with 8085 microprocessor. Okay, so 8279 is a specific IC which is for keyboard and display interfacing. Okay, 8279 is a specific IC which is used to enable keyboard and display feature to 8085 microprocessor. By connecting 8279 with 8085, we can enable that feature to 8085 microprocessor. Okay, so now we are going to display this helpers. Okay, so these characters we are going to display in 7 segment display which is available in this keyboard. So this is a 8279 kit. Okay, so 8279 kit which is connected to, so this is 8279 kit which is connected to 8085 microprocessor through this cable. Okay, so this is 8279 kit which is connected to 8085 through this cable. So after execution, this characters will be displayed. If you want to change the character, means we can give, we should give corresponding hexadecimal values. Okay, so connection is like this. This is 8085 microprocessor kit which is connected to this 8279 kit, keyboard and display kit, through this cable. Okay, so after execution, these characters will be displayed because I have already entered program and I executed, so that this characters are displaying in this 7 segment display. Okay. So we have written program to display these characters. If we want to change, means we can give that character's equivalent hexadecimal value. Okay, so how we are giving hexadecimal value, how we are writing this data means, okay, so this is the location we are going to store. Okay, up to from 412C to 413B is the location which was assigned for character entry. Okay, so here FF means this location, during the data while writing this FF in display, எந்த செக்மெண்ட்டும் வந்து க்ளோ ஆகாது. ஓகே, ஸோ 7 செக்மெண்ட் டிஸ்பிளே தான் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். 7 செக்மெண்ட்டில் காமன் ஆனவுட் டிஸ்பிளே, அதில் வந்து 0ன்னா வந்து க்ளோ ஆகும், 1ன்னா க்ளோ ஆகாது. ஓகே, ஈச் 7 செக்மெண்ட் டிஸ்பிளே இஸ் ஹேவிங் 7 செக்மெண்ட்ஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ பார்த்திங்க அப்படின்னா இது A B C D E F G ஒவ்வொன்றும் ஒவ்வொரு செக்மெண்ட், ஒவ்வொரு எல்இடி. ஓகே, அதனால தான் 7 செக்மெண்ட் டிஸ்பிளேன்னு சொல்கிறோம். இது வந்து டெசிமல் பாயிண்ட். ஓகேவா, ஸோ இது வந்து ஜென்ரல் definition of general representation of 7 segment display. இது இந்த செக்மெண்ட் வந்து A, இந்த செக்மெண்ட் B, இந்த செக்மெண்ட் C, இது D, இது E, F, G. ஓகே, ஸோ இது வந்து டெசிமல் பாயிண்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ எரியக்கூடாது அப்படின்றதுக்காண்டி FFன்னு கொடுத்துருக்கோம். ஓகே, ஸோ FF மீன்ஸ் ஆல் ஒன்ஸ், தட் மீன்ஸ் எந்த செக்மெண்ட்டும் க்ளோ ஆகாது. இஃப் யூ வாண்ட், இஃப் எனி ஒன் செக்மெண்ட் சுட் க்ளோ அப்படின்னா வி ஹாவ் டு ரைட் 0 டு தட் செக்மெண்ட். ஓகேவா, இப்போ ஹெச் அப்படின்னா this segment should glow, this segment should glow, and this segment and this segment should glow. Okay, so A and D should not glow. For that I have assigned 1. If any one segment want to glow அப்படின்னா, so that should assigned as 0. If should not glow அப்படின்னா that should be assigned as 1. ஓகேவா, ஸோ ஏவும் டியும் வந்து க்ளோ ஆக வேணாம், அதனால் அதை வந்து 1ன்னு அசைன் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். அதே மாதிரி ஹெச்ன்றது வந்து டெசிமல் பாயிண்ட், அதுவும் வந்து க்ளோ ஆக தேவையில்லை. ஸோ தட் இஸ் ரெப்ரசன்டட் as 1. ஓகே, ஸோ ரிமைனிங் பிட்ஸ், which bits எது வந்து க்ளோ ஆகணுமோ that is represented as 0. okay, so we have to reverse sequence. Okay, we have to write from right to left, then we have to write its equivalent hexadecimal value. This 1001 is 9, 1000 is 8, so 98. Okay, so this is the equivalent hexadecimal value for H. Similarly, for E, its equivalent hexadecimal value is 68. For L, its equivalent hexadecimal value is 7C. And for P, by drawing this diagram, we can know about how to write this value. Okay, so for U, its equivalent sequence is 1C, and S, its equivalent sequence is 29. So wherever it is represented as FF means that should not glow. Okay, so 00 is condition for glowing, and 11 is a condition for not glowing. Okay, so if you are writing 0 to that segment means that will glow. If you are writing 1 to that segment means that will not glow. So for H, this is the hexadecimal equivalent, and for E, this is hexadecimal equivalent. So whatever character we want to display, that should be represented with the help of hexadecimal value in these locations. Okay, so now and this is the location where we are going to give this characters, and then 0f 15 16 locations are there, so that its count is represented here, and then 10 is a control word for mode set control word. So control word register address of keyboard display is C2. Okay, display port address is C0. Okay, so 10 is a mode set control word, CC is a clear display control word, and 90 is a write display control word. Okay, so 10 is mode set control word, CC is clear display, and 90 is write display control word. Okay, so we are giving 10 to accumulator. After that C2 control word register address is C2. We are moving the 10 to C2, and then CC is a clear display control word, that is moved to C2. After that 90 is a write display control word, that is moved to control word register, and then we are moving M to A. M is 412C, that will be FF will be moved to accumulator. After that will be moved to C0. C0 is a port address, display port address. This will be moved to display port address, and then we are calling delay to get next character. So we are calling delay, and then we are incrementing memory location. Then it is 412D, and then decrementing D register. After getting one count, this will be decremented by 1. After that checking for 0. This D register will be 0 after getting 16 characters. Okay, so then jump start. So then again this will be repeated again and again. Okay, so similarly each character we are getting after getting count reduced, we will get all characters in display. Okay, so let us see how to enter the program in kit. So 21 2C 41, and then 16 0F 3E 0F 3E, and then 10 D3 C2 10 D3 C2, and then 3E CC D3, and then C2 3E 90, and then D3 C2 7E D3 C2 7E, and then D3 C0 CD D3 C0 CD. Okay, so then 1F 41 23 1F 41 23, and then 15 C2 and then 11 41 C3. Okay, so 00 41. Okay, so then in 411F we have written delay routine. Delay routine is common for everything. Okay, so 06 A0 0E FF 0D C2 FF 0D C2, and 23 41 05 23 41 05 C2 21 41 C2 21 41, and then last one C9. Okay, so C9. Then program we have to give input at location 412C. Okay, so reset subset 412C, where we have to give input these inputs. Okay, so FF from 4134 the data is started. Okay, so 4134 98, in 4135 68, then 7C 68 7C, and then C8 1C, and then 29, and then FF. Okay, so this is the entry for help us. If you want to display other character, we have to give its corresponding hexadecimal value. Now I am going to execute reset. Okay, so before execution it is like this. Okay, so after I am going to execute reset go starting address execute. After that the characters will be displayed in this kit. Whatever hexadecimal value we have entered in this memory location, so that equivalent characters will be displayed in this 7 segment display. Because we have put it in loop, it is displayed again and again. Okay.